guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY What. Today we're going to be going over a Memorial Day / 4th of July wreath that I made to celebrate the beginning of summer. So I know Memorial Day starts the summer season, so what way to celebrate than to make a wreath like we do for every season and every holiday. So this is a really easy project that I did with stuff from the Dollar Tree and some spray paint. Or you can use regular paint with a paintbrush if you want. It just depends on how far you want to go into the project. So all the materials will be listed down below, so don't worry about that. And before we get into the video, you know I gotta do it. Make sure that you're subscribed. If you're new here and you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. If you're returning, thank you so much for tuning back in. And make sure you comment down below and tell me what you think of the wreath. So, I think that's everything. I hope it's everything. If I missed anything, tell me down below in the comments. And also, before I let you guys get into the video, make sure you share the video if you like what you see so that other people can, get into the season with us. So, let's not wait any longer, guys. Let's DIY.